Hello everybody, welcome. Pinch and arm, eh? I got this book yesterday, £6. Nice recipes. So let's do one. I'm going to be doing, this looks really nice. Oh, you got the book then. Chicken Fajita pie. Looks gorgeous. I prepared all the ingredients. It's quite simple to make by the looks of things. So let me show you what I got. Right, as I say, I've got everything prepared. All my seasoning. This is all my seasoning. Now, because I already had all this in the cupboard, this seasoning here, I thought, well, I'll use that. But you could buy one of them Fajita packs, couldn't you? For what, £1 or something. Say you're buying all this, if you ain't got it, it'd be just the same. So I've got 1 tablespoon of chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin, half a tablespoon of coriander, and I've got half a tablespoon of chillies. Now I've got some red kidney beans in chilli sauce. They wanted passata, but I forgot it up the shop, but I had plum tomatoes in the cupboard, so I'm going to use them with a bit of tomato puree. I've got some wraps. I've got a yellow pepper and a red pepper and 2 onions. And I've got 3 chicken breasts which I've chopped up into strips. And I've also got a baking tray, one of them spring ones, and I've lined the bottom of it already. So it's quite straightforward. First thing you do is you get the chicken in. I probably won't need all that chicken, it's quite a lot there. Get that in and we'll start frying that up first. And here's the recipe if you want to check it out yourself. I'll see if we can get you to see it. There's all the calories, look. Which is quite good about this book. Got all the calories in it. I'll just scroll that, just pause as you need. Super adaptable recipe as well. And that's what it looks like. Well, hopefully. Right, so spray some spray in here, or you ain't got no use, use a bit of oil or whatever. Want it on a low heat, and you want to get the chicken in for a couple of minutes first, so we'll get that in. So there's quite a lot of chicken here, look, in one go. I shouldn't have put all that in one go. Take some out. Quite a lot of chicken there. I might do it in a couple of batches. Wash my hands. Right, what I've done is I've put the chicken into 2 pans, there you see. Just so I can get the chicken done, that's all. Now, there's quite a lot of chicken for that, unless, I mean, my pan, probably might have a bigger pan, or I could have done it in my wok, couldn't I, but never mind. Well, I'll get all that cooked up anyway. Right, the chicken's starting to cook. So now I want to get me peppers and me onions in for a couple of minutes. Get all them in. I'll probably end up using that with chicken for something else. Quite a lot of chicken there, isn't there? Did say 3 breasts though, I think it says. 3 chicken breasts, yeah. Didn't say what size, though. I've got large ones, so maybe that's what it is. Well, that's been in about a minute, only says leave it a minute or 2, so that's what I'm doing. So I've got to simmer and get all your stuff in. No stuff in here. All your condiments in. Get them all in. Get a mix. The same Fajita pack would be perfect, wouldn't it? Right, now I want to have my kidney beans with the chilli sauce. You want to get that in. So it says. Doesn't say drain them or anything, get them in. And your passata. Well, obviously I'm having plum tomatoes, I've got to open that. Right, plum tomatoes in. That ain't going to make much difference, is it? I'm going to get it all mixed up. Tomatoes are mashed down anyway. And we've got to leave it all to simmer for 15 minutes, it says. Obviously get rid of some of that juice. Looks like our Roxy's going to be happy tonight with that chicken. I think I'll get the dog, far too much. Just a little bit of tomato puree, just a spoonful, tablespoonful or whatever. Right, let's leave that for 15 minutes to simmer. Right, that's been in for 15 minutes. I'm going to leave it to cool down. It's boiling out. There's quite a bit of juice left in there though. But I'll work that out as I go in a minute when I come to it. So it thickens up. But I've just noticed this, look, if you look at the book, let me show you, get down a bit. When they've served it, look, they've served it on the bottom of the tin. You can see the bottom of the tin there, can't you? Because obviously you can't get it off. But it also says here, when the chicken is cooked, put a layer of chicken mix in the base of the lined tin first. But I don't know whether to put one of them at the bottom so I can try and get it out. I might do that. Because I like to get it out, not keep it in there, you see. So I think I'll do that. But I put that on the bottom there. And it looks alright. What I'm going to do, while that's cooling down, I'm going to stick this in the oven for a minute. Just to harden up. It's a bit like a harder base, won't it? A bit more like a pie. Not to cook it properly, just to, you know, get it a bit solid. Because that'll just go all soft, won't it, when you put the stuff in it. I'll do that. Right, that's done. Just crunched up a bit around the sides. Nice. Now I'm going to get the all the stuff in there, all the chicken and that. I want to try not to get loads of juice. I can always use that juice to pile it on top, couldn't I? To have a little sauce. I don't want it too runny. This bowl might be a bit big actually. I think it's supposed to be three. I'm getting 3 layers out of this. This is supposed to be small. Maybe it's a small bowl. There's 1 layer. Oh, spread it out at the sides. Let's get it all spread out. Another wrap in the middle. Smells nice. Yeah, I'm only gonna have enough to do a double layer, I think. Because the rest is all just juice now. That's quite full anyway, isn't it, that? Do a bit more in the middle there. And a couple of little bits of chicken. There's that. Now you want some grated cheese on top. It does say mozzarella, but I ain't got no mozzarella. I've only got the Aldi cheap, so that'll do me. There we go. And that goes in the oven for how long? 25 minutes. And it smells delicious. And it looks okay. Let's cool down a bit now. Oh yes, let's get it in. Right, it's done. I'm going to get it out. It smells absolutely delicious. Oh yes, look at that. Let me show you. What do we think of that then? Looks gorgeous, doesn't it? Obviously it's got to be cooled down first before I open it. So I'm going to let it cool down. And then what I'm going to do, I've got this. Might as well use that as my gravy as the topping, mightn't I? Oh yes. But it looks a stunner. And it smells. Whoa. Right, I'll let it cool down for a bit. And then we'll open it up and see if it stays together. Right, it's been cooling down now for about 15 minutes. It smells absolutely delicious, I'm not kidding you. It really does. Doesn't look like it's shrunk a little bit, but you expect that, ain't you? But let's see anyway, moment of truth. See what happens. Yeah, it's can't really see a lot of mine, can you? You can't really see a lot. That's a shame, isn't it? Oh. Mine looks nothing like that one anyway. I think I needed a smaller dish, didn't I, to pull it in. See if I can get this off here. There we go, that's off. Yeah, what a shame that is, eh? See if I can get it off that paper and all. Bit gooey in the middle. Don't know if I'll get it off there. Maybe that's what the left there's on the thing. I'll try. Oh, I did. I got it a bit. Yeah. I'm a bit disappointed with that. The way it looks anyway, because it looks... You probably can't see, can you? Let me have a look. Let me drop it down so you can see it properly. See the side, look. It's just all... There's not enough filling in the bottom, is there? Look, it's all cased. But anyway, it's all in the taste, isn't it? So let's have a taste test then. Before a taste test, let me just cut it open and have a look first. So you'll be able to see what it's like. It's like a pizza thing, isn't it? I am warming that sauce up there for like a gravy thing. No, Bab. See if I can get it on the plate so you can see it whenever you can. Get it off the knife. It's all collapsed a bit. I mean, it looks nice. It's collapsed a bit though, isn't it? But I'll wait for that gravy to warm up there and we'll have a little bit of it. Well, there it is there, it looks nice that way. We'll see. Right then, yeah, as I say, I'm a bit disappointed with that. But that don't look bad like that, does it? Could have done with a lot more ingredients. Maybe I'll put other chicken in as well, maybe. But I'm thinking, because of this pan, it's quite a big pan that, you know. If you had a smaller pan, it'd probably be look a bit better. Well anyway, no, enough of that. It's all in the taste for me, so let me have a crack and have a look. Bit of everything. Oh yes. Oh, oh. Oh. Bit of salt, get a bit of thingy gravy on it. I might use this as a gravy, mightn't you? Oh yes. Oh, the flavours. Oh, I could eat loads of this. Absolutely could. What's it like with the wrap? Oh wow. Wow. I'm sorry, but it's gorgeous. I can't stop eating it. Oh, I don't know what else to say. Pinch of numb. Absolutely superb. My first recipe as well, I bang on. Not too bothered about the look, I couldn't care. It's the taste. Superb, try it. Oh, gonna go and eat it now. Say, I am the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye bye.